All right, it's time for another hieroglyph. This one looks like a twisty rope. So let's get into what it is and how it was used in ancient Egyptian. And we'll do that in just a moment. Welcome to Voices of Ancient Egypt. If you're new here, I'd love it if you'd click subscribe and ring that bell so you won't miss future videos like this one. All right, so what is this hieroglyph and how was it used? So it does look like an oiled rope, although it's usually interpreted actually as a wick. So in other words, a string, a woven string twisted up that you would use to burn, such as in a lamp, for example. So how was it used in Egyptian? Well, it actually has a sound value similar to what we might think of as the letter H in English. It's not quite the same though. This is a different kind of H that exists in some other languages such as Arabic and Hebrew. And this is one, I have to be honest, is very hard for me to pronounce as a native English speaker, but it's something along the lines of making a sound kind of like an H coming out of your throat, but without so much emphasis on it. It's more just the sound of the air coming out of your throat. So it's something along the lines of so not really like a ha kind of sound where you have that voice aspect in it. It's more of a now in modern times, at least among Western scholars, we do tend to just simplify this by pronouncing it like our regular old H sound. So you usually will hear most scholars do it that way. So let's look at an example of a word or actually a name where you can use this sign. So one really common place where you can see this, and of course it is used in a ton, like super ton of words. You'll see it all over the place. But here's one example in the name of the god Ptah. Now, in this case, you'll notice in English, I actually don't even pronounce the H really at the end here because I'm treating it as if it were an H on the end of an English word and we would do that. But of course, in Egyptian, it would have had more of that sound to it. That bit of sort of breathy sound in the background. So this is a common god that you'll see who was mainly based in the city of Memphis and was associated with craftsmen. So now you know how to write his name, Ptah. All right, I'll be back again soon with another hieroglyph. See you soon.